Good morning, friends. So, in stock markets, if at all you're investing, you would have come across parameters like fundamental analysis, technical analysis, and various charts, various ratios, etc. So, what does it all mean? So, in order to understand who should use fundamental analysis and who should be using technical analysis, what type of parameter you're supposed to see, you should basically understand the difference between a trader and an investor. So, who's a trader and who's an investor? So if at all you're investing in stock markets and you're okay with the investment being for a long term, you're in a mentality that you don't want any big returns in the near future, you're willing to leave your shares be for say 5 years or 10 years of time and you're waiting to reap your returns after a long period of time, then you become an investor. So investors are generally people who are risk averse. So they don't want to take much risk, and just because they don't want to take much risk, they are also okay with not getting any much returns in the near future. So these investors, what they do is they invest in shares and they leave their shares be for quite a period of time, for an n number of years, and after which they are willing to reap their profits. So if at all you are an investor who is looking to invest in stock market for a long period of time, then fundamental analysis is the right analysis for you, because fundamental analysis is going to examine the company's intrinsic value. And when I say intrinsic value, I mean the real value of the company. And now, who's a trader? So a trader is a person who is a risk taker. So he is willing to take a high amount of risk to get a very high amount of return in the near future. He is investing in stock markets to reap profits, say in a few weeks or in a few months. He is not willing to wait for a long period of time, unlike an investor. So being a trader, there is a possibility that you might get high returns for the high risk that you're taking, and you might also face huge losses for the huge risk that you're taking. So a trader is well aware of what he's getting into, and he's convinced that it's okay if I'm facing a loss, but I want to exploit the advantage of also getting a huge profit. So this is who a trader is, and if you're a trader who's investing in stock market, technical analysis is the right analysis for you, because the trend projections or the moving averages or the any indicators that you analyze, that you look into technical analysis, only gives you a very short term perspective of the market, very short term trends of how the market could move on in the next few weeks or few months. So technical analysis cannot be used as a long term analysis. So I hope you've got the difference between who an investor and who a trader is. So we'll be seeing about more videos on financial parameters, economy, stock markets in the future. Thank you so much for watching.